welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Allison and I am a model, content creator, and travel blogger. Today I have a really fun video. I am doing an unboxing from a shoe designer. I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the items that I picked out from Sicario Studios. I loved everything on their website and I picked out one pair of shoes and one bag. The website is sicariostudios.com and they also gave me a special discount code for you guys. It is just Allison in all caps. Just remember it's 1L, and I'm going to link all of this down below and in the top link as well. I also saw that if you sign up for their email list on their website, I believe you get $50 off. So that's something you can do also. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. My favorite thing about this brand is that they are handcrafted in America, and that is something that I really love in a brand. Get my handy dandy little box cutter. The box is super nice. I like the texture of it, and it has a little iridescent logo for Sicario Studios on there. And let's see what's inside. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like leather. Built for those who step to a different beat. Has the little thank you card, and it's made with leather. That's a really nice touch. I actually really like that. I've never seen that before. And it comes in this really nice dust bag here. So this is the bag. It's a really nice, like, kind of velvety texture. Would definitely be a good gift for around the holidays this time of year. Oh my God, these are so cute, you guys. Look at how cute. I picked out the iridescent color because, you know, I like glittery stuff. But look at how beautiful it is. It's like it shines like pink, purple, blue. These are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And this is the other one. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, I hope I can keep them this white because these are absolutely stunning. They are so bright. Let me show you what they look like in the sunlight. Particular are the low one Courtside in Angelic. That is what I ordered for the sneakers, and it also came with thin soles inside. Here's what they look like. Okay, now let's unbox the bag. This is like Christmas for me right now. Okay, here is the bag box. It's like bigger than me almost, I feel like. And let's see what's inside. The packaging is so beautiful. Again, another little leather thank you note with all of the details about the bag. This is the Duo Tote. I don't know if you can see here. The Duo Tote, crafted from premium Italian calf leather. The Duo Tote brings together luxury and functionality. It is structured, designed, comfortably fits a 16-inch laptop, while brass and 24-karat gold-plated hardware ensure lasting elegance. The name Duo in Spanish means pair and celebrates both its dual texture design and its role as your reliable companion. Like a trusted friend, it's there to support you throughout every day's journey. Keep striving. Oh, this bag's a little bit different. It's also the same like velvety texture. I really like how they did the packaging. It is super nice. This is in a nice big velvet bag to protect it, little dust bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, you guys, this is so beautiful. It's the same Angelic iridescence that I'm obsessed with. And oh my gosh, this bag is so nice. The handles are inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is hands down my new travel tote, my new everyday tote. There's also a clip inside here that you can link your keys on. And let me show you the details inside. Really let me like put the angle down for some reason. But inside you can see the branding in here, Sicario Studios, and the key hook for your keys, wallet, anything you want to hook here. And then on the other side, there is a pocket. You can put, you know, cards, whatever in here. Oh my gosh, it's so soft on the inside. This material is incredibly soft, and I love that it's lined to protect the leather bag. So the interior of this bag is microfiber suede. It is so soft. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my God, I'm so happy it's literally Christmas. Look at how cute these are going to be paired together. Like, I'm obsessed. The exterior of both of these is premium white Italian iridescent and white suede with calf leather accents. And then the interior of the sneakers is white leather lambskin. Coda really likes it. He really likes how it smells. To do a little try on at the end and show you guys how these look on, but I wanted to tell you a couple other things about the brand and about these products. What's really cool about all of their shoes is that they come with 2 different custom insoles. They're made with 2 types of foam with a top layer of lambskin for extra comfort, so I'll let you guys know how that feels when I try these on. And all of the footwear made from Sicario Studios is made with premium leather sourced across Europe. Inside, they have foam collar to heel padding for extra support, and you can see inside the different insoles. So I have the ones that I showed you when I first unboxed these, and then this one in here you can see is a little bit thicker, so it just is all in what you prefer. All of their shoes also have vegetable tanned leather for premium comfort, and it also molds to your foot over time, so it just kind of continues to be more comfortable the more that you wear them. Things I like the most about their footwear is that they are handcrafted from start to finish. So from cut to stitch, these are made with the best care and attention, and it's built to last. Really, really like not only the aesthetic of just the products, but I really like the branding that they did on them. They just have kind of the subtle branding here on the shoes, and then in the bag, it's on the inside. So it's just kind of one of those, if you know things. I definitely like a quiet luxury, so this is definitely my aesthetic and a lot my style. Okay, I'll show you the outfit outside, but just in the mirror, I want to show you this bag. Look at how cute it is. And I like that it has a lot of little things on the bottom. I don't know what you call these, little stands, so that it doesn't get the bottom of the bag dirty, and it'll keep its structure. And then look at how cute the shoes look with this. Oh my gosh. Hi, buddy. You like my new shoes? Aww. Okay, Coda approves of these shoes. This floofy boy, but they are so freaking comfortable. It feels like I'm walking on clouds. I definitely like the thicker soles that were already in here because I travel a lot and I'm always walking around, so I really like all the cushion. Yeah. And look how cute it looks with the bag. You guys, I am so obsessed with these. These are great like street style shoes, but like also looks really good to like dress up a look even though you're wearing sneakers. I love how these look on. I have an event tonight and I'm going to wear probably this exact outfit. Why are you with a smiling face? Hi, buddy. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed this boxing and review video. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Don't forget that all of the links are down below, and my discount code is Allison, and that will give you 25% off through the holiday season.